Hello friends, welcome to Daring Marine YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about marine purifier, their overhauling, their overflowing, low RPM, their vibration, bowl not close, oil in the water side, what are the reasons and all. So we will be discussing about different miscellaneous problems in the that happen in the purifier. We will be discussing the reasons for that. Okay. Purifier overhauling, overflowing, purifier overflowing, it's my mistake, overflowing. Okay, the main reasons are the sealing water, if the sealing water is low, excessive back pressure, fuel temperature high or low, if we use oversized gravity disc, then orifice plate installed wrongly in the inlet side. Purifier overflowing reason means sealing water is low, excessive back pressure, fuel temperature it may be high or low, oversized gravity disc, orifice plate installed wrongly in the inlet side. Excessive feed rate, if a feed rate is excessive sludge deposit inside the bowl, the sealing ring may be having leakage, low RPM or wrong direction, leaking through the bowl. Okay, so the reasons are excessive feed rate, excessive sludge deposit inside the bowl, sealing ring leakage, low RPM or wrong direction, leaking through the bowl. These may be the reasons for the purifier overflowing. Then bowl speed low or low RPM. If the speed is less for the purifier, inside the purifier there will be bowl stacks and all. So if the speed is less, what will be, or low RPM, what is the reason? Brake is still on. Okay, the clutch shoes are worn out, then clutch friction surface only, insufficient clutch shoes, bowl full of liquid or sludge, bowl height incorrect. This will be the reason. Next, brake still on, clutch shoe worn out, then clutch friction surface only, insufficient clutch shoes, bowl full of liquid or sludge, bowl height is incorrect. This is the reason for the bowl speed low or low RPM. Then abnormal vibration. Abnormal vibration may be due to bowl out of balance due to buildup of solids or incorrect assembly, low disc stack pressure, then spindle bearing that spring weak or broken, that is spindle bearing spring weak or broken, wrong bearing or worn gears, that means abnormal vibration may be due to bowl out of balance due to buildup of solids, incorrect assembly, low disc stack pressure, spindle bearing spring that is weaker or broken, wrong bearing and worm gear. Then bowl does not close or fails to close properly. The another is bowl does not closing and fails to close properly. That means ports in the base of bowl are clogged, sliding piston water outlet clogged, that worn sealing ring are on sliding piston, and sealing ring on top of bowl is damaged, operating water does not close fully. This is the reason. That means operating water does not close fully, then sealing ring on top of bowl is damaged, then worn seal ring in sliding piston water outlet clogged, ports in the base of bowl are clogged. That means these are reasons for bowl does not close or fails to close properly. Then if there is oil discharge on water side, what may be the reason? Oil discharge on water side may be reason is insufficient sealing water. If the sealing water is insufficient, incorrect gravity disc, reduced oil temperature, bowl not properly closed, oil supply too quickly. The reason means insufficient sealing water, incorrect gravity disc, reduced oil temperature, bowl not properly closed, then oil supplied too quickly. This may be reason for the oil discharge on the water side. Then water discharge on oil side. Oil discharge on the water side, and maybe another scenario, water discharge onto oil side. This is due to incorrect gravity disc. That means it may be due to smaller diameter, incorrect gravity disc. Then too much sealing water supplied. If you supply too much sealing water, this may be also reason. Then oil supplied too quickly. If you supply oil too quickly, then bowl failing to open, then water outlet clogged with sludge. If it is also there, water outlet is clogged with sludge. Water discharge in oil side reason may be water outlet clogged with sludge, incorrect gravity disc, that may be smaller diameter, too much sealing water supplied, oil supplied too quickly, bowl failing to open. Okay. Then reduced feed or no feed. Reduced feed or no feed is due to feed pump relief valve lifting, suction strainer can be blocked. This may be reason for the reduced feed or no feed rate. Reduced feed or no feeding means feed pump relief valve may be lifting or suction strainer can be have been blocked. This is the reason for this scenario. Thank you.